Frank Williams, and what brought me here was an injury sustained in March or May of 2024. There was a constant pain in my wrist, and despite my own exercises and a chiropractic adjustment, still had the pain. It has been successful, and the staff here is friendly and very knowledgeable. I've been in sports all my life, and so I know a little something about physiotherapy, but the staff here is very knowledgeable, and they have certainly produced results. I'm pain-free. My golf game is improving. That was a big hindrance before, and now I'm progressing forward without too much pain. If you're injured, don't delay. Go and at least go through a therapy so that whatever the problem is, you can address it quickly, because then you'll heal quicker. I have a 30-year-old injury, and it has improved with this type of therapy. I've already recommended people with injuries to come here. I used to coach at the University of Miami, and so injuries happen to everybody regardless of their age. When you're injured and it doesn't get better in a week, you should definitely get some therapy and have a professional take care of it for you.